we move. So let's move together. Hello, 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 Okay, I'm watching you with my two eyes, and I see you. Okay, I see that you are, should I say, you're shy to comment. So let me know. Let me hear from you in the comment section. And if you don't mind, drop where you are watching from. And then let's keep going, okay? Okay, I'm looking for something to share with you all. Uh, let's see what we've got here. Yay, I found something to share with you. Thursday Live. Thankful Thursday. You are not alone. You have got this. Refuel your spirit and stay consistent. So, if you are watching this afternoon, just to let you know, to refuel your spirit, stay consistent in whatever you are doing. Yeah, push through, be it work, school, life in general, anything. Just push through. You are not alone, and you have got this. So it's all about refueling your spirit and staying consistent, looking at things from a brighter side. Thank you for joining. Thank you. You can't see me, so I also can't see you. This is a fair play, right? But you can drop comments in the section box and we can engage in there. Please give the video or the live stream, give it a like for me. So at the right corner, the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see 3 dots. You can click on it and then give this live stream a like for me, okay? I would love to know where you are watching me from. So be nice by dropping a comment, even if it is hello, hi. I'm watching you from Ghana, I'm watching you from Namibia, I'm watching you from Uganda, I'm watching you from Kenya, I'm watching you from America, I'm watching you from Netherlands, I'm watching you from Germany, anywhere. Yeah. And also, if you are new to the channel, you can also drop it in the box, okay? Okay. I always get the quiet people on my live stream. Is it because I'm quiet? I get the quiet ones, the ones who hide behind their screens and love to observe. They just watch from afar. I think YouTube has been pushing my contents to people who are more or less like me.